Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to add YouTube Music as a desktop app. For that, simply open any browser of your choice and search for YouTube Music in the search bar. Open the official website. Next, click on the three-line icon at the upper right corner to open the menu. In this drop-down menu, scroll all the way down and you will see the options Cast, Save, and Share. Click Install. A pop-up box will appear asking you to confirm. After that, click on the Install button. Now go back to your desktop home screen and you'll see that YouTube Music has been added as a desktop app. Open it. So that's how you can easily add YouTube Music as a desktop app. Alternatively, click on the Install App icon if it is available. Click Install. Now go back to your desktop home screen and you'll see that YouTube Music has been added as a desktop app.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.